morning, guys. So, welcome back. I'm in week 8 of this 24-week build of my AI business, according to Claude's plan, 24 weeks plan. So, we're actually on week 8. I have skipped this part right here, make my first demo. So, I will, that's what I will be doing today. So I already asked Claude, what should I do, and then this is what they made. They came up with like a 45-second video for posting on Pinterest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just build it, just record my screen as I use the bedtime story. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you what I have created. So right now it's going to be like a 45-second video for Pinterest, and then these are the overlay or text overlay for it. So I will just copy exactly what Claude wants me to do, and then I will post it up on Pinterest. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back. So I'll just go ahead and record what I'm gonna do as I do it here. So they want me to basically who is the hero? Type in Mia, and this is what the overlay will be. I'll do this in Canva, and looks like I will fill the drop down with being brave, base, being brave, and a friendly dragon, and then overlay with that. Hit run, and overlay. Gently scroll down, gently loading state, and the review. Okay. So there that. I will go ahead and do this here. Uh, you know what? I actually need to do it with a 9 by 16. How do you even do that? Okay, I'll figure it out. I'll be back. A little longer than expected, so I had to adjust my recording size here to record this. Who knew that would take so long? I have to record my screen in a TikTok size, so this is what I recorded in like a 9 by 16 size. So here we go. I just basically put in the name that was indicated here. In this case, it's going to be Mia, and then I just want to show that we're selecting space, being brave, and a friendly dragon. So I just click that to generate, and I think this will be in a video that is going to be on Pinterest instead of just pictures. So after this, I'm gonna upload this onto Canva to actually put it in the overlay, and hopefully it would be like 45 seconds long, so it'll make it a little bit easier. But I will go ahead and put this or put the overlay using Canva. I did a second one, see if just in case my first one didn't work. So I just recorded another generation of a bedtime story with the AI here, with my app here. So I will go onto Canva and then make this, and then I'll show you the end product, and then and post on Pinterest. Canva, I made this, so it took a little longer than expected here. Yeah, you open this. Well, this is how it looks like here. Let's see here. Should I save this? I click on it. How do you access this? There. Yes. So it's basically an overlay of words and text. Alright, so that's my first video for Pinterest here.